Hello guys, so today I'm going to be fixing up my Traxxas Mini XRT because see, this gear's completely stripped down. Got some new differentials. Got the new part right here, so I'm probably going to do like a time lapse with me like speed running, kind of like trying to like build it back so I don't have to keep y'all like bored and stuff waiting for me to go play with it. But I'm gonna do a time lapse of me putting it back together, and we'll go take it out to the baseball stand, and I might take out the paddle tires or something, I don't know. But well, let's get fixing. I just finished putting back the entire bulkhead for the RC car. Now it works good. I'm gonna get the GoPro on here so we could get some cool footage of me ripping up the baseball field. I want to use paddle tires, but like I might use these stock tires because it'll drift better. So I'm gonna get the mount the GoPro on top of here, and then I'll time lapse us going from my house all the way to the park. So bye-bye. Alright guys, so I'm about to put the GoPro inside of its case. I'm about to rip it